Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to use offset function in Excel. This column will carry the result of an offset function.
These are the data, and in reference to one of the cell from this row, we will find a definite value from these cells.
And rows above this area will automatically be omitted.
So these are the rows from where we will pull out data using offset function. First, let me show you how to simply use offset function, then we will move to average and sum. I'm inserting an offset function here. So this is my offset function and this is my reference cell. We will find a value from a cell which lies after a gap of 7 rows and 1 column. So we are declaring the row and column number accordingly.
Now I'm pressing enter. As you can see, I have found the data from the cell number E9 from this row, which lies at a gap of 7 rows and 1 column from the reference
This
cell.
is only the basic of offset function. There are other attributes like width and height, which is mostly used when you will use offset on a range of data to find average, sum, or other functions like that. But when you want the cell value, you need to choose 1 for height and width. Otherwise, the value will be an error.
Like this, because it is only addressing a cell, not an array of cells.
Now let's see how the offset function works in case of average function. Here I am inserting an average function and then inserting an offset function within the average function. Now I am declaring the reference cell, the column and row numbers like I have done previously in this video, and now it's time for declaring the height and the width. Height is the number of rows and the width is the number of columns from which we want to find the average. Here I have done a mistake that I have forgot to insert another parenthesis. So now it's done, and as you can see we have found the average of these cells, which is 330.106. There is no problem with the height being 5 or more than that, as there are enough rows below the targeted cell. But if we change the column number to 1 to 2, then the value will not change until we add another value in this area. As you can see, by adding only 1, the whole result has been changed. I hope you have got my point here. Now let's move to sum function, where I'm going to find the sum of a definite area using offset function. The process is the same as I have done earlier for only offset function or average function. First you need to declare the reference cell, then the row, then the column, and then height and width. So it's really simple. You just need to fix your targeted cell and the targeted area to get the desired value. I hope my video has helped you a little bit. If you have liked my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay with OnlyDreamScape. Sorry for uploading late, I was really busy with my work. I hope I will upload regularly from now. Bye, take care.